Toledo is one of Europe's most dramatically positioned cities, perched on a hilltop surrounded by the Tagus River on three sides. From above, you'll see why it earned the nickname City of Three Cultures, where Christian, Muslim, and Jewish communities once thrived together. As we approach, notice the medieval walls encircling the entire old town. As we descend toward the heart of Toledo, the cathedral dominates the skyline. This is one of the finest examples of Spanish Gothic architecture, begun in 1226 and taking nearly 300 years to complete. From above, you can see its intricate roof design and the massive nave, which at 43 meters wide is the widest Gothic nave in Spain. The cathedral contains masterpieces by El Greco, the artist who made Toledo his home. Notice how it sits at the city's highest point, visible from every angle.
Standing at the southwestern edge of the Old Town is the Alcazar, a fortress that has witnessed centuries of conquest. Originally built by the Moors, it was later rebuilt by Christian rulers and became one of Spain's most important military strongholds. From our vantage point, you can see its distinctive square towers and massive stone walls. During the Spanish Civil War, this fortress became a symbol of resistance, and today it houses a military museum.
As we fly over the Jewish quarter, we reach the home where El Greco lived and worked for nearly 40 years. This Renaissance painter transformed Toledo into his artistic canvas, and his works define the city's cultural identity. The house, now a museum, sits in a charming plaza surrounded by narrow medieval streets. From above, you can see how the artist chose a location that captured the essence of Toledo's layered history. In the heart of the Jewish quarter stands the Synagogue of Santa Maria la Blanca, one of the oldest and most beautiful synagogues in Spain. Built in the 15th century, it features stunning white interior columns and a serene courtyard. What makes it unique is its architectural blend. Christian and Islamic influences merged with Jewish traditions. The synagogue represents the peaceful coexistence that once defined Toledo before the expulsion of 1492. As we move toward the northern edge of the Old Town, we find San Roman, a church built on the foundations of a Visigothic temple. This is where Toledo's story truly begins, before the Moors, before the Christians, before the Jews. The church now houses a museum dedicated to Visigothic art and culture, offering glimpses into Spain's earliest Christian period. From above, notice its modest bell tower rising above the surrounding medieval buildings. On the western side of Toledo stands the monastery of San Juan de los Reyes, a masterpiece of late Gothic architecture. Built in the 15th century as a royal monastery, it features one of Spain's most beautiful cloisters and a stunning church interior. From our aerial perspective, you can see the intricate stonework of the roof and the geometric precision of the courtyard. The monastery was intended to be the burial place of Spanish monarchs, though that honor ultimately went elsewhere. As we complete our journey, notice how the Tagus River wraps around Toledo like a protective embrace. This natural moat made the city nearly impregnable for centuries. The river has shaped Toledo's destiny, providing water, defense, and inspiration for countless artists. From above, you can see why medieval strategists chose this exact location. Surrounded by water on three sides, Toledo was a fortress by geography alone. Toledo is a living museum where three civilizations left their mark, where El Greco found his muse, and where medieval streets still echo with centuries of stories. From the cathedral's Gothic spires to the Alcazar's fortress walls, every corner reveals a new chapter. Have you visited Toledo? Or is it on your travel bucket list? Let us know in the comments, and join us next time as we explore another hidden gem of Europe.